Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today I'm bringing to you another review. This time we're going to talk about this black soap I bought from ihearb. So ihearb is an online platform which actually sells, basically everything from skincare to food to vitamins, supplements. You can get almost everything there. So I wanted a facial soap and I was browsing, their website, and I got this black African soap. So this cost about €5 and that would be about $6 or something. I mean, it's from Mild by Nature. Yeah. So basically they are into soaps and skincare. And this soap claims to cleanse, hydrate, and balance. Now, this is an African black soap with aloe, oats, plantain, vitamin E, and rosemary. I bought two of them to actually try. I use it to wash my face like a daily facial wash. And this is the very first time I have tried this soap. Now, this says excellent for bathing, showering, and shaving. Keep bar dry between each use to extend its useful life. Okay, so this contains sodium palmate and it also contains palm kernel and it also contains some coconut oil. So what do I think about this? Now, the first time, when I opened it, it's got this very pungent smell. The smell is quite strong to me, honestly, because I don't really like pungent smells. So this was, too much for me. The smell was too hard for me. But apart from that, it is a great soap. Basically, I use it twice a day. I use it in the morning and in the evening before I go to bed. So I just I just lather it up and rub my face, wash my face with it. I keep on, kind of massaging, washing for about 30 seconds. Then I rinse it off. I don't really leave it on my face, for that long. I just keep it on for about 30 seconds, still kind of washing, massaging, and then I wash it off. Now, the very first time I used it, I felt my skin was smoother. Yeah, you feel that instant freshness afterwards. Yeah, but then I must say, I don't know if it's my sensitive skin or what, but it's quite on the hard part. Yeah, it's on the hard part. So if you've got very sensitive skin, you might want to be careful actually using this a lot. It is advisable to use it once a day, but it gave me great results. My skin was smoother. It felt, very clean. It felt softer, and it actually got rid of blemishes. So yeah, it is a great product, and I would definitely want to get it again. But honestly, it is quite strong. The fragrance is quite high for those of us who do not like those pungent scents. But apart from that, it is a great soap and it's lasts for a very long time. I mean, I use it only on my face, so it's gonna last for so long. It's 141 grams, so it's gonna last for a very long time. Now, I've not actually used other products from Mild by Nature. Basically, they make organic natural products, so I'm looking forward to using more of their product. And I must say, this soap is also a little bit drying. Yeah, it's kind of dries out your skin a little bit. Like when you wash your face with it and you rinse your face, feels smooth and all that, but you feel your skin is a little bit on the drier side. The third or fourth day I used this, when I got up in the morning, I felt my skin was very, very dry and it was shedding off some dead skin. So I don't know if this is an exfoliating soap or it's just a cleansing, hydrating soap as they claim, but I did get some exfoliation the next morning, and because I realized my skin was shedding off the dead skin. So yeah, that is it, and this is what I think about it. It's a great soap. I'm definitely gonna get it again. The only downside is that the scent is very pungent and it's a little bit too drying, especially for very sensitive skin. But apart from that, it is definitely a great black soap, and I'm definitely going to get it again. Okay guys, so that is it. Let me find out in the comment section, have you ever tried this, African black soap from Mild by Nature? How did it go? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.